After logging in, you will arrive at the Open Service Order report. From here, you will be able to start a new service order by either clicking the service order link on the left of the screen or by clicking the New Service Order button at the top of the report. Once you've reached the New Service Order page, you'll notice that the required information fields are indicated by a red bar. To begin the service order, start by selecting your company in the account pick list. Next, enter any character into the service order name field. This is a required field for Perfekt's system to generate a project's perfect number. The perfect number is the number assigned to a project in order that the system may track all the necessary information. So for this field, a character of some sort must be entered, but as soon as the service order is submitted, the system will override the entry and replace it with the project's perfect number. In the next section, input the property's street address, city, and state. For the hiring party information section, if the contracting hiring party is the owner, then this checkbox must be checked. When inputting the contracting hiring party, notice the quick lookup icon to the right of the field. If you or any other clients of Perfekt have worked with the hiring party before, that hiring party's information will be available through the quick lookup. After searching the quick lookup, if the correct hiring party's link is available, click on it and you won't have to input any more information on the hiring party. Next, select your hiring party's role. This is important when it comes to particular notices. If your hiring party is not found through the quick lookup, you must delete all characters from the contracting hiring party field and input your hiring party's information on the right-hand side. If there are additional parties you would like to notify, you can input their information here. For the project information section, start by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting the correct option for your type of project. Next, select your role in the project from the drop-down pick list. This is also important as it determines what type of notices may be sent out. The labor and materials pick list has 3 options. These 3 options will determine the multi-pick list below. In this multi-pick list, select the applicable value and then click the right arrow. You can add multiple values if necessary. If you add a value that you do not need, simply select it from the right-hand side and click the left arrow. If you can't find a value in the multi-pick list that suits your needs, enter a brief description in this box. For the type of service requested section, start by selecting the correct service you are requesting from the pick list. If you have any questions about the service you are selecting, please contact Perfekt. Next, fill in the lien amount. If your service requested is a pre-lien, this field can be an estimate within reason. If your service requested is a secondary notice or a lien, the amount must be exactly what you're owed. Next, select the first date of work and the last date of work. Lastly, check the I agree to terms box and click Save to submit the service order. Once you have submitted the service order, you'll be directed to the newly created service order page, which is essentially a receipt of the information you have entered. To get back to the Open Service Orders report, click on the Service Orders tab at the top of the page.